Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add funds to your Bitget wallet account. If this helps you, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more simple crypto guides. Let's get started. First, open your Bitget wallet app and log into your account. If you're new, go ahead and create your wallet and make sure your security is set up properly. I always recommend turning on two-factor authentication before depositing any crypto, just to keep everything safe. Once you're inside the app, go to the main dashboard and tap on Deposit. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies you can add to your wallet. Choose the token you want to deposit, for example, USDT, ETH, or BTC, and then pick the correct network you'll be sending from. This is very important. If you're sending USDT on TRC-20, make sure you choose TRC-20 in Bitget wallet. If you're sending ERC-20, choose ERC-20. After choosing the asset and the network, Bitget wallet will show you your deposit address. You can copy the address or scan the QR code. Take your time here, because entering the wrong address or wrong network will result in permanent loss. Once you have the address, open the wallet or exchange where your crypto is stored. Paste the deposit address you copied from Bitget wallet or scan the QR code. Double-check everything, the token, the network, and the amount, and once you're sure it's correct, confirm the transfer and pay the blockchain fee. Now the transaction will go through the blockchain. Confirmation times vary depending on the network. Tron is usually fast, and Ethereum can take a little longer. As soon as the network confirms it, the funds will automatically appear in your Bitget wallet. If you're making a large deposit, it's always a good idea to send a small test amount first. A couple of things you should know. Some cryptocurrencies have a minimum deposit amount. Sending less than the required minimum could result in a permanent loss. Bitget wallet doesn't charge any fees for deposits, but blockchain fees still apply. And make sure you always use the latest deposit address shown in the app. Don't reuse old or saved addresses because deposit addresses can change depending on the network. And that's it. That's how to safely add funds to your Bitget wallet account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment telling me what guide you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.